Hi, everyone. This is Terri Crosby in Care of Relationships, and I'm going to read you a poem today about grief. Maybe it's a way of looking at grief that you may not have considered. It's called Flood Rain's Faithful Sister. Rains come, pounding rooftops, saturating every inch of soil down to the deep. Water creeps under floorboards, pours past garage doors, gushes into low-lying collection basins. Bridges connecting small country roads turn impassable, the ones aging at the bottom of mountains near abandoned railroad tracks. Grief is a sister to flood rain. Holding hands, they roll over restraining walls. Together, they stream, surge, cascade out over the land of the heart, into the valleys of the mind, through the dark woods. Grief is love uncaged, overflowing, endless love. Grief is love realized and released. Grief is love let free.